Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.4. Let us march, written by Kailash Satyarthi. Yesterday we have seen while giving his speech, before going give his speech, he did not forget to means the mantras also, his ancestor, his motherland also, and those who have worked with him, Martyrs and his countrymen also. And also means he gives the respect of to the Norwegian people also. And also he said means he did not forget, he kept their empty chair because of the cry of innocence, face of invisibility, means the poverty of the world, and the okay, and that's why means he did not forget. And in the gesture to everyone in the audience, he looked there the frightened and exhausted means drawn eyes, and also injured bodies, and felt their broken spirits. And means he did not forget to them while giving his speech. He bows his head for them. And now next, 20 years ago in the foothills of means he gives the speech. Whatever his experience for working uh, for the children, that time means he got many experience, and he share his experience to his speech. Okay, means he gave here his experience before 20 years ago. He means whatever he experienced 20 years ago in the foothills of the Himalayas, I met a small skinny child laborer. He asked me, is the world so poor that it cannot give me a toy and book instead of facing me to take a gun or a tool? Means in the foothill of Himalaya, means the part of Jammu and Kashmir. Here, before 20 years ago, he met a small skinny child laborer. Skinny means a very thin child laborer. Very thin means the that child. Okay, who has very thin because of the food. Okay, because of the food means we are saying that bhook badi. He asked me, is the world so poor that cannot give me a toy and a book? Means he asked to Kailash Satyarthi, is this world so poor? Because that word are not able to give me a toy and book instead of forcing me to take a gun or tool. Means instead of toy or book in his hand there was a gun and tool, because we know that Jammu and Kashmir many that there are many that organization which has work for the use the children for to a very bad purpose. Means they give them a gun or tool, means they teaches them to train there for to as a we are know means that dahshatwadi. Okay, means they gave the train to means they train them as a dahshatwadi. Okay, I meet with a Sudanese child soldier. He was kidnapped by an extremist militia. Means he also gave here the example of Sudanese. Means Sudan is the country in South Africa, Sudan, and Sudanese means people from Sudan. Okay, means he when he went to Sudan, that time he met there a Sudanese child soldier. He was kidnapped by an extremist militia, because that child soldier was kidnapped by the extremist. Okay, by the extremist means that attack army. Okay, militia. Those are working in a, means as his first training lesson, he was forced to kill his friend and family. And when he was trained by that militia, that time that child was forced to kill his friends and family. Means these militia forced him to kill his first friends and family. Means it was his training. He asked me, what is my fault? And that child asked to Kailash Satyarthi, what is my fault? Because means to kill this means told him to kill his friends and family. Is there my fault? Friends, all the great means it's here he share his two experience. Okay. Friends, all the great religions teaches us to care for our children. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me, do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to them." The Holy Quran says, "Kill not your children because of poverty." Means our religion, many religions that tells us to take care for our children. Okay, because children, these are the means we see that face of God to the children. Okay, smile of God to the children. Jesus also said, "Let the children come to me." Means Jesus also says that, "Let the children come to me, do not hinder them, do not frustrate them." Hinder means do not frustrate. Okay, do not frustrate them, for the kingdom of God belong to them. Means these are the flowers of kingdom of God. The Holy Quran also says that, "Kill not your children because of poverty." Because of poverty, the children should not be killed. Okay, means give them enough food. Give them enough food. Means Holy Quran also says that give them enough food. Then he asks, "Friends, there is no greater violence than to deny the dreams of our children. Therefore, I refuse to accept that all the temples and mosques and churches and prayer houses have no place for the dreams of our children." And that's why Kailash Satyarthi, he refused. Okay, we will not allow the dreams of our children. Okay, where there is a great violence. And therefore he refused to accept all the temples and mosques and churches and prayer houses where there is no place for the children's dream. Okay, means they are going to temple, mosques, churches. Okay, and they pray. It's a very frustrated prayer. Okay, because in their mind, if there is no place for the children's dream, then what is the use of this prayer? What is the use of this? Means Kailash Satyarthi asked this question to us. Then why we are going to the temple or mosques or churches if there is no place for dreams of children? Okay, means like this way he asked this question. Tomorrow we will learn the next part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.